how something so small can be so impressive.
Well, Mark, you would know about that. Thank you very much.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back. We are at our model club here in Small Addictions RC, and we got Bernie here, and I want to show you this, what he built. What scale is this, Bernie?
1/160.
1/160 scale, and this thing is insane. Now, if you look at the comparison of my Beetle, I'm sure most of you know my Beetle, and I just got like a card here, my Marvel card. This, how many parts you set to this?
There's probably 250 to 300.
Jesus. And you paint the same way, right?
Yep, hand painted.
Hand painted, okay.
Primed with a base coat and then hand painted.
That is insane. And you rusted it and stuff. What'd you use for rusting?
I used actually a bunch of the model colors that they sell at the store here, the AKs.
Okay. So, what's the material? Is it resin or is it metal?
It is plastic styrene.
Okay.
Everything is completely made out of plastic styrene pieces.
Okay, so just your typical metal kit. And you need 250 pieces to this. And it's literally the size of like a penny or a quarter.
It's in a scale where 1 inch equals about 16 feet.
Okay. So these things are huge in real life, right?
They're big. They were big. They're basically the size of a bulldozer.
Okay. So the front wheels, you said they move, right? You said the front wheels move? They spin?
The front wheel does move on it. It's a little out of scale, the front wheel is.
Oh, is it? Okay. Now the rust looks... And the engine's that green, right? That Peterbilt.
The engine is, it's a whole tractor, so.
Okay.
The engine blocks were green.
Okay. Yeah, I just want to show you guys this because this when Bernie bought this in, me and the clerks were just like, what in the world? So you had this in storage, right? For how long?
It had been in storage for 15 years.
15, and you just bought it out, and you built it in how many days? 2 days?
I finished it in 2 days. after letting it sit for 15 years.
And you just, what was it? You just afraid to build it or whatever?
It just sat and I couldn't get around to it and the size of it, and I figured I'm getting older now, so I want to try to get it before my eyesight goes.
That's fair. Yeah, you said you had to use like a bunch of magnifying glasses, right, to do this?
What's that?
You had to use a bunch of magnifying glasses.
Oh yeah, I had to use readers with a magnifier on my head, and then a lighted magnifier that I would bring down so I could make sure I was getting it.
Insane. Now, comparison. So my Beetle, just look at the size of the wheel of my Beetle. And that is 1/24 scale, by the way. And just the difference is just when he bought this in, we were all blown away. Like the clerks, I mean, we were just like, how in the world? I mean, we were all laughing, but I mean, it's just it's quite a laugh. But I mean, it's funny. It's insanely cool. I mean, I'd never even seen anything quite like this in my life. Bernie, I appreciate this. This is just wicked cool.
I appreciate you giving the exposure to some of this insane stuff that I do.
Yeah, no problem. All right, guys. Hope you enjoyed. And until next video, we'll catch you next time.